Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore the colorful and delicious world of fruits. Let's dive right in and learn the names of some of your favorite fruits. Let's go. Here are some fruits names which we like. First, apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. Pomegranate. P-O-M-E-G-R-A-N-A-T-E. Pomegranate. Pineapple. P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E. Pineapple. Fig. Fig. F-I-G. Fig. Plum. Plum. P-L-U-M. Plum. Peach. Peach. P-E-A-C-H. Peach. Raspberry. R-A-S-P-B-E-R-R-Y. Raspberry. Strawberry. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. Strawberry. Pear. Pear. P-E-A-R. Pear. Papaya. Papaya. P-A-P-A-Y-A. Papaya. Coconut. Coconut. C-O-C-O-N-U-T. Coconut. Melon. M-E-L-O-N. Melon. Grapefruit. G-R-A-P-E-F-R-U-I-T. Grapefruit. Guava. Guava. G-U-A-V-A. Guava. Jujube. Jujube. J-U-J-U-B-E. Jujube. Mulberry. Mulberry. M-U-L-B-E-R-R-Y. Mulberry. Apricot. Apricot. A-P-R-I-C-O-T. Apricot. Watermelon. W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N. Watermelon. Lychee. Lychee. L-Y-C-H-E-E. Lychee. Cherry. Cherry. C-H-E-R-R-Y. Cherry. Kiwi. Kiwi. K-I-W-I. Kiwi.